Boost your credit score in 2025. Proven tips for financial freedom. Did you know that nearly 30% of Americans credit score below 700? What if I told you that with a few small changes, you could join the top scorers in 2025? Let's get into the game plan to transform your credit score. Introduction. Hey friends, welcome back to Money Mentor. Today we're tackling a topic that hits home for so many of us. Credit scores. Your credit score can make or break your financial journey, but the good news, you have the power to boost it. We're going to explore practical strategies, share real-life stories, and even sprinkle in some humor to make this fun. Let's turn your financial goals into reality. Let's face it, life happens. You miss a payment, max out a card, or maybe even forget that old store card exists. Before you know it, your credit score takes a hit. And that number? It's not just a number. It's your ticket to better interest rates, easier approvals, and even better job prospects in some cases. For example, my friend Sarah once joked that her credit score was so low it could double as a golf score. But seriously, she couldn't even get approved for a basic credit card. Sound familiar? Don't worry. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix it. Key factors that influence credit scores. Payment history, 35% of your score. This is the big one, folks. Paying your bills on time is non-negotiable. Even one late payment can stick around on your report for years. A little hack? Set up automatic payments. Think of it as future you's best friend. Credit utilization, 30% of your score. Here's a quick math tip. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. If you have a $10,000 limit, aim to use no more than $3,000. Lower is better though. 10% or less is the sweet spot. Length of credit history, 15% of your score. The longer your accounts have been open, the better. So resist the urge to close that old account from college. It's doing you more good than harm. Credit mix, 10% of your score. Variety is the spice of life. And credit scores. A mix of installment loans, like a car loan, and revolving credit, like credit card, shows lenders you can handle different types of credit responsibly. New credit inquiries, 10% of your score. Every time you apply for credit, it's like a mini ding on your report. Spread out applications and don't go on a credit spree. Actionable tips for 2025. Check your credit report. Step 1, know where you stand. Use free tools like annualcreditreport.com to get your report from all 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Dispute errors. Mistakes happen. If you spot an error, dispute it. This can be as simple as writing a letter or filling out an online form. Believe me, a quick fix here can mean big points. Negotiate with creditors. If you're behind, call your creditor. You'd be surprised how many are willing to work out a payment plan or even remove late payment marks. Pay down debt strategically. Tackle high-interest debt first. It saves you money and lowers your credit utilization faster. The snowball method, where you pay off smaller balances first, can also work wonders for motivation. Become an authorized user. Got a trusted family member with great credit? Ask to become an authorized user on their card. Their good habits can boost your score. Use a credit builder loan. These are designed to help build or rebuild credit. You make payments, and at the end of the term, you get the money back. Win-win. Open a secured credit card. If your score is too low for a traditional card, a secured card is a great way to rebuild. Just make sure it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Set clear financial goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Write down your credit goals for 2025, whether it's hitting 750 or simply avoiding late payments. Track your progress monthly. Monitor your credit regularly. Stay in the know. Apps like Credit Karma or Experian can give you frequent updates. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your credit. Utilize balance transfer offers. If you're drowning in high-interest debt, a balance transfer credit card can help. Just be mindful of fees and aim to pay it off within the promotional period. I remember when I was trying to boost my score. There were nights I'd stare at my credit report like it was a puzzle I'd never solve. But then I took it one step at a time. By the way, fun fact, my dog chewed up one of my credit card bills once. I'd love to blame him for a late payment, but nope, that's all on me. One time, a friend told me they thought their score was their bank balance. Oh, the look on their face when I explained it wasn't. Moments like these remind me we're all learning together. Think of your credit score like a plant. Water it with on-time payments. Give it the sunlight of low utilization. And keep the weeds of hard inquiries away. Oh, and don't forget to talk to it. Plants, love that. Okay. Maybe skip that last part. And remember, your credit score doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be better than your ex's. Kidding, sort of. Inspiration and motivation. Remember, a credit score isn't a reflection of your worth. It's a tool, and tools can be fixed, sharpened, and improved. Every positive action you take is a step toward financial freedom. Imagine the day you're approved for that dream car or house without a second thought. It's possible. You've got this. Think about the possibilities: that dream vacation, starting a business, or even just having peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. A great credit score opens doors, and you hold the key. So, what's your first move? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found value here, smash that like button and subscribe for more credit and financial tips. Let's make 2025 the year we all thrive.